Hi, I'm Julie, and I interviewed a gal named Tamara Fish, who I met through one of my good friends here in Rexburg. Tamara is her sister, and she works as a foster care case manager supervisor at the organization called Great Circle in Missouri. And when I heard about the good work that she was doing, I was so interested in it that I wanted to talk to her and learn a little bit more. Great Circle is a nonprofit organization that is the largest provider of family support, mental health, and behavioral health services in Missouri. Great Circle is an organization that is contracted to help with overflow cases in the state of Missouri when government agencies don't have enough caseworkers to fulfill their needs, and they're always full. They have 18 centers throughout Missouri. Tamara works at the St. James location, and for that location, the organization rented a home for $50 a month that serves as their office and as a home location where parents and children can come for their visitations and interact naturally in a home environment. Tamara says she loves her job. It's a very supportive organization to work for. She is the supervisor over 6 caseworkers and 1 parent aide. And for her supervising group, there is a maximum of 63 cases at a time. And she says that they're always full, and most of their centers are always full. The focus of this organization is to empower employees with the skills and knowledge and resources to be able to strengthen and educate the individuals and families that they work with in their current cases, and help them get out of their current problems or make them better or get into a safer life and learn just how to function better and have a better quality of life. They have a strict 40-hour per week policy for working, but they can have those hours at any time that they want to. They can set their own schedule as long as it works to accommodate the families that they serve and that they get to all of their mandatory court hearings and meetings. And employees really like being able to set their own flexible work schedule. Typical stressors are the ongoing emotional situations that they work with the cases of the people that they help. But Tamara says that's what they're trained to do and feel gratification from doing. She says that her biggest stressor, ironically, is dealing with personnel. It's protocol for caseworkers to make a decision, to make an assessment, make a decision, and then report to their supervisor. And often they're nervous because they are afraid to make a wrong decision, and so they'll call her and ask her for her advice rather than just making a decision. And she tells them, I may as well be the caseworker then. And so she has to encourage them, tell me what you think you should do, and empower them with learning to govern their own cases, so that each caseworker isn't so needy and can function in their own position. The typical benefits for full-time employees at Great Circle, they receive full health benefits and a 401k retirement plan. There are a generous number of sick days per year. And they're able to share 15 of their sick days to a fellow employee who may have extenuating circumstances. The main job tasks that they have are to observe children and parents in visitation settings at the Great Circle office, or in their family's home, or at school, in court hearings, or any appointment or activity that is mandated by the court. And then they use their findings to assess where the problem areas are for that child or that family. And Tamara said then it's like becoming an ocean liner cruise director, being aware of all the activities that are available within their community that can benefit this family to learn and grow and gain better skills. So they need to be familiar with activities through the juvenile court system, through parenting classes, parks and recreation, hospital programs, through therapists, school programs, etc. It's an extensive list. Caseworkers at Great Circle are required to have a bachelor's degree and in a relevant field and 2 years of experience. As a supervisor, they're required to have a master's degree and 5 years of experience of relevant experience. Then the starting salary for a supervisor is $38,000 a year, and that's in rural Missouri. They receive a substantial Christmas bonus if they stay within their budget for the year, and there's a 2% annual increase in salary for supervisors who kept within their budget the year prior and received the Christmas bonus. So they gradually do increase a little bit at a time, but you're not going to get rich doing this job. Tamara says that she really enjoys the work and it's very gratifying, but there's not a lot of financial payback. Also, by comparison, a similar job for a supervisor that would work for a local government agency would receive $32,000 a year, and that is set without any room for increase, and the work conditions are not as supportive or as enjoyable. This organization started 70 years ago, and it was established as Boys Town. And then as it grew, they changed the name to Boys and Girls Town, and it has been so successful, it continues to grow as the largest provider of family support, mental health, and behavioral health services in the state of Missouri. Currently, Great Circle is part of a pilot program for the nation to expand these services, to see the possibilities of expanding these services nationwide, and that project is called Project 360. Sounds like they're doing a really good work to be able to help a lot of families. Thank you.